Today our recipe is delicious sweet Ghee Mysore Pak. For more recipes, please like and subscribe our channel. Ingredients: sugar, elachi powder, besan, oil, ghee. First add 2 cups sugar. Next add 2 cups water to prepare sugar syrup. Add 1 tablespoon elachi powder. Boil for 10 minutes to get perfect sugar syrup. Now take 1 cup besan. Add 1 tablespoon baking powder to soften flour. Seal like this. Now softened flour is ready. Now on other side, take kadai, add 1 cup oil and 1 cup ghee. Boil it for 5 minutes in low flame. Now add softened flour to the sugar syrup and mix like this. After 10 minutes, add little bit heat oil and again mix. Repeat this till the oil is empty in the kadai. Now boil this for 10 minutes. Now apply ghee to the plate. Pour this total creamy mixture into the plate. Wait till cool down and cut pieces. Wow, yummy Mysore Pak is ready. It's very delicious. Do you want to taste? You also prepare the Mysore Pak.